Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Kerastase product review. I recently switched my shampoo and conditioner, so I want to show you the combination I'm using right now. Kerastase is such a great brand and they have such a broad line of products to address anyone's hair. What's great about that is no matter what your hair condition is or what treatments you've done to it or what issues you need to address, Kerastase most likely has a product for you. What I'm currently using is the Kerastase Chronologiste. It's the creme de la creme of Kerastase. It's hydrating, it's nourishing, it smells really good, and this one's just a good one to do if your hair is in fairly good condition and you just want to kind of keep it up. I'm using this because my hair is no longer fried from highlighting, so I don't need protein. I've been using oil, so I don't need to nourish it as much anymore, and I don't really have a high demanding color that's going to fade. If you're coloring your hair dark brunette or red, you're getting a lot of fading in the 4 to 8 weeks between appointments, then I would maybe suggest that you go to a different line. But if you have fairly healthy hair, then the Chronologiste is really good. Another thing to consider is how often you wash your hair. I only wash my hair Tuesday and Friday. By the time I wash it, I have so much product in it and I have 3 or 4 days of heat styling, so I'm really focused on just like making it healthy and nourishing it. In addition to the shampoo, which I just focus on the scalp and let the suds go through the ends of my hair. After I shampoo it, then I do the Blond Absolu Cicaflash. And you can see this one's almost done. So the ends of my hair are balayaged and highlighted. As you can see, they have a lot of lighter color, which I've actually recently glossed, so it's a little darker, but underneath that it's a pretty light blonde. I got the Blond Absolu just to hydrate those highlights and sort of repair some of the breakage that's in there and the bonds that have broken because of highlighting.
Highlighting's pretty aggressive,
but it creates beautiful color, which is why we like to do it. What you really want to do after you highlight is make sure that you're using oil in your hair and using some sort of conditioner or mask to really nourish it. This one is a little bit heavier of a conditioner for Kerastase, so it just like really nourishes my hair without weighing it down. It feels really silky after, it creates a lot of shine, and it actually gives me a little bit of body too because it's not weighing it down. My blow dries come out better, my curls come out better, and I don't feel like I have to wash my hair right away. It's not greasy or anything like that. If you want to stick with the lines, which you can totally do, or you can mix and match, the Chronologiste comes with a mask if you wanted to stick with the line. They do not have a conditioner. That just shows you that this is meant to really hydrate and nourish the hair and maybe not be used every single day. So this is for someone who can go a few days in between washes and then just really focus on hydration. The Blond Absolu actually has 2 options for shampoo that goes with it. One is a purple shampoo, and that's for very blondes who like the cool blonde. So you could pair that one with this if you wanted to make sure that your blonde is staying really icy and cool and avoiding any warmth in between coloring. It also has the Bain Regenerant, which is going to add shine to the blonde, and it's just very nourishing and hydrating for blonde. And that's good for beige blondes or blondes that don't mind a little warmth in their hair and they don't need it to be cool, but they still want to enhance their blonde and make it look really shiny and healthy. But I am mixing and matching right now because I love how this shampoo makes my hair feel, and I also love how this makes my ends feel. So I rarely stick to one shampoo and conditioner. I will switch it up because I feel like my hair gets used to products, and by the time I'm done with this, it'll be like half a year later, so my hair is going to change. So I'm always addressing where my hair is at. And since I know I'm gonna change my hair throughout the year, I know by the time I need new shampoo and conditioner, I'm gonna need something new. Every shampoo and conditioner by Kerastase has a situation where it's good. So you really wanna address your hair, and actually their website has a good quiz to help you address like what's your main priority with your hair. So you can go ahead and do that if you aren't sure which one to get. But if you're in my situation where overall your hair is really healthy, you maybe have some highlights and you don't have any breakage in your hair, then I suggest this pairing that I'm doing right now. Let me know what you think about Kerastase and the Chronologiste shampoo and the Blond Absolu line. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with videos like these, and I will see you next time.